Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening the Pine editor on Tradingview and creating a new indicator file. Use Pine script v5 and begin your code with /@ version equals 5, then indicator, title equals my indicator, overlay equals true. Declare user inputs immediately, for example input. Int 14, title equals SMA length, minval equals 1, establishes a 14-period default. Comment your sections with // so future edits remain clear. Save the script with a concise name. These steps register the indicator and provide a clear, editable foundation for plotting and calculations on any chart timeframe. Write the calculation and plotting logic clearly. Define length equals input, int 14, and compute ma equals ta. SMA close length, so the script uses a 14-period simple moving average. Plot the result with plot. Ma title equals SMA 14, color equals color. Orange, line width equals 2 to render a visible line. For signals, define by equals ta. Crossover, close ma and cell equals ta. Crossunder, close ma. Use plot shape by location equals location. Below bar, style equals shape. Triangle loop, color equals color. Green to show entries and similar for exits. After coding, thoroughly test the indicator on historical and live data. Use multiple timeframes such as 1D and 1H in the chart selector to validate behavior under varied session lengths. Add alert condition, buy, title equals buy alert, message equals price across a dab of SMA 14 to enable Tradingview alerts when signals occur. Save the script with a descriptive name like my indicator and use Git-style version comments in the editor. Finally, choose to publish to the community or keep it private. Publishing requires following Tradingview rules and adding a clear description.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.